Namaste. This is S.K. Batin Rahman from the Faculty of Pharmacy in Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. In the cell of your body, are capable to mix different enzymes, and its first aim might be thinking the great capable those enzymes up to metabolism as if first and possibility. Is turned out throughout the really don't want to produce and active the all product of enzyme at the same time. In this same cell, need the condition vary from the cell to cell and the change individual cell over the time. Instead, the stomach cell are different enzyme and fat storage the cell. Skin cell, blood cell, and nervous cell, also digestive cell work much harder to the possible to hard work. Neutralized during the time of follow of meal as a compared with many hours of different after meal. In this cell, demand and the condition are changed, so do amount of functional different enzyme. Because of enzyme guided or regulate the metabolic and the cell they are tends to the carefully control. In this article, or we discuss, we take look about a function and effect of the control of enzyme reaction, include temperature and as well. Regulatory enzyme, regulatory molecule. Enzyme, the activity may be turned up or down by the activator or inhibitor of molecule or the binding specific to the enzyme. Cofactor. Many enzymes are the only activate when bound are to the non-protein helper molecule known as cofactor. Compartmentalize. Storage of an enzyme specific compound can be kept in this doing the damage or provide right condition for the activity. Feedback inhibitor. Key of metabolic enzyme are often inhibited by the end product of the pathway of the control. In the rest of article, we are example the factor of time sent to how to reach of enzyme. Regulatory enzyme. Enzyme can be regulated by the other molecule by either increase the reduce the activity. Molecular thus increase the activity of enzyme called activator, while molecular decrease the activity of enzyme called inhibitor. There are many kind of molecule that is block the promote the enzyme, the function, the effort of enzyme function and different way. Competitive and non-competitive, but no competitive versus non-competitive. In the many study of case that activated of inhibitor, the binding reversible means the molecule are does not permanently attach with enzyme. Some of the important type of drug of reversible inhibitor, example the drug are used in HIV are reversible inhibitor. It is block the virtual enzyme which help to the virus make copy of them. Reversible inhibitor is divided into groups of basis of binding behavior. It does not discard all type of there. We are well looking for two important groups, competitive and non-competitive inhibitor. Inhibitor may be binding to the enzyme and block the substance for the example for attached with activator site. Competitive inhibitor is because of inhibit the competitive on the substance for the enzyme. This is the only inhibitor of substance to binding of the given movement. In non-competitive inhibitor, inhibit the in non-competitive inhibitor, the inhibitor doesn't block the substance from the binding of activator site. Instead, it's attached to another site and the block the enzyme doing its job. The inhibitor is said to be non-competitive because of inhibit the substance both bond at the same time. The competitive and non-competitive inhibitor cannot be told to appear how they are effort and enzyme are active or different substance concentration. If inhibitor competitive, it is well decreased reaction rate when there are not much substance but cannot out competed by the loss of substance. That is, enzyme can be still reach of the maximum reaction rate enough substance. In case of almost all the active site, almost enzyme or molecule occurred by the substance rather than inhibitor. If the inhibitor of competitive and enzyme of catalyze the reaction will never reach of the normal maximum rate of the substance lot of substance. This is the because of enzyme molecule. This is the non-competitive inhibitor bound to the poison and it cannot be job rather than much substance are available. It is a designed by the graphically. It is compared by the rate of reaction with substance concentration. Rate of reaction is normal enzyme is higher with compared with rate of reaction and the substrate concentration. In not familiar is type of graphically. So allostatic regulation. In the allostatic regulation, Borra speak just kind of regulation where regulatory molecule and activator inhibitor binding to the enzyme same place with the other and active site. This is the place where the regulation the binding in the allostatic site. Pretty much called in case non-competitive inhibitor, almost the same unit and the basic competitive inhibitor, the form of allostatic regulation. Some of the enzyme of allostatic regulation have been set unique properties that set up apart. Enzyme has been include some of our key metabolic regulation, often given some allostatic enzyme. Allostatic enzyme typically has been multiple activity of site located on a different protein subunit. When allostatic inhibitor is binding to the enzyme, all active site are protein are subunit and changing in slightly that are work less well. There are also allostatic activity. Some of the allostatic activity bind and locate on the enzyme other than active site. In case of increase the function of active site, this is the process of co-properties. The substance itself can be several allostatic activity when the binding to the active site. This is the active site on the other than site of group. Consider allostatic regulation because of substance of activity are binding. In this allostatic reaction is located on the enzyme active site, causes for increase the function of the active site. It is also called it is called for cooperative property. This cooperative property are the substance can be allostatic activity when are the binding to the active site. The active site allostatic bond is binding the block the appropriate activity. This is the hybrid enzyme of allostatic regulation of unique property of the set of appear. This the enzyme include some of the key of metabolic regulation allostatic enzyme. Allostatic enzyme typically multiple site of located in different protein and substance when allostatic inhibitor inhibit the enzyme all activity site of protein of substance changing slide so they are work less well. So in the enzyme regulation, where cell are the capable for in the different in and there might be different word. The immediate condition very called cell to cell and changes in individual cell over the time. Instead, stomach cell and different enzyme cell are fatty storage cell. There are cell are blood cell or nervous cell are also digestive cell are harder to process to break down or nutrients during the meal. It is followed by meal are competitive and as for one and the condition and change amount of function of different enzyme. Regulation different processes are regulated by the enzyme are regulated by the other molecule by the increase the reduction of activity and under other competitive and non-competitive activity in the inhibit the many binding and enzyme and the block binding substance for the example by the attaching site called competitive attachment. Because of inhibition competitive there are substance of enzyme only inhibition the substance bound of the block. Non-competitive inhibitor does not block the substrate, is the inhibit the active site, instantly attach of another site, block the enzyme doing the job. This inhibition of site of competitive because of inhibition of substance both of the time. Thank you so much for hearing. Goodbye.